Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is our last day of sea on this cruise, and we've been at the pool today, but I stayed in the shade because I am so sunburned. But I'm about to head up for Jack Diaper Dash with some friends, so stay tuned for some fun vids.
Let's go, let's travel to the stars. There's wonder in our hearts. It's time for the adventure of our dreams.
Take stands and they rise to their first steps. We will all roar, we will all cheer, and then there'll be a stop.
I'm
taking baby S. I'm taking baby S all day.
Maddie, what about you?
Who's on the phone?
Baby C.
Baby
C. Who do you? I don't know.
This one on the left.
Okay. He wants to move. He wants to get going. Okay, slay.
Let's go!
That was yours?
Yeah.
Slay.
Are we ready? Let's get it. Last time.
He is ready.
2, 3.
Hey vlog, so we just went to the Diaper Dash and that was lots of fun. Now we are eating at Cabanas. We got the squad here. You were eating good? Yeah.
You want to show what you were eating? Oh, you already started.
I already started
Here, show my
eating,
plate, it's so fresh.
but what are you eating, Jonathan? Go ahead.
So I have myself a little vegetarian tomato and basil pizza and some pasta with red sauce and then some beef steak, some broccoli, and then some lemon marinated grilled chicken. Oh, and don't forget the water with ice.
Oh, the water? Water? Yeah, because you're from the East Coast.
This is the best dessert.
What's the best dessert? What are we eating?
Oreo cheesecake.
Oreo cheesecake.
Celebration cake.
Yeah.
So
Oh, and don't forget the
yum.
pretzel rolls.
Oh, and guess
yeah,
who made it
that's
out
the
for once? Sam.
In the
Wait,
Who's Sam?
Hey, I was
What?
there at night.
It's because he's a vampire. You can only
He
be out at night.
disappears sometimes. But yeah, so we're gonna enjoy some lovely food here in Cabanas.
So I had a lot of fun at lunch. Thanks to Brandon for taking over the vlog. And now I'm gonna brush my hair because it needs some brushing. But I'm about to head back up to deck 11 to work on my videos because it's kind of been like a slow day. People are kind of just relaxing. Everyone's tired from doing all the ports we've done. And then tomorrow's Naples. So yeah, super excited for tonight. Super excited for the rest of the day. Tonight is semi-formal / formal night, but it's more semi-formal. And yeah, there is no like free drinks for this because of it being semi-formal night. And yeah, I'm gonna get all dressed up later and show y'all. And my tan is doing better. I can't see her, but this is the princess gathering, and the princesses are about to come out. You have to have a ticket for this. This is so cute. Goofy is like standing all by himself, so we're gonna go say hey to him.
He's having a full conversation quietly.
See? He's all by himself. Hey, Goofy. Oh, thank you. Oh, he took me away. Oh, thank you, thank you. Grand reveal. Now we're going to meet Pluto. Literally no one's in line with Pluto. Let's go.
Excellent. Come on in. You can put all your stuff in.
Hey, Pluto. Hey. We want to get a picture with you. You're the coolest.
Yes, that's true.
Pluto,
Yeah.
you're in your formal color. Yes.
Oh, yes. Bye, Pluto. Oh, we love you too. Oh, we'll see you later. Okay, so we're about to head on to the AQUADUCK, so stay tuned for some fun vids.
Let's go!
Okay, so we just got back from the AQUADUCK. As you can see, I definitely got ready for tonight, which was, I said, formal night. But yeah, it was so much fun going on the AQUADUCK. Now I'm about to head to Silent DJ, which is a family silent DJ right before dinner, and then we're headed to Animators Palette to do some drawing. Tonight is drawing night, and we got our markers. Maddie's already getting drawing. Decided to draw Big Al. Vlog, just so you know, my dad is really good at drawing. And he always kills it in this, I swear. But he's the reason we don't got no menus here. So tonight is the chicken schnitzel, which we all love. And then this is very similar to the black truffle pasta we have on the that we had on the second night. Then got some plain pasta and some cheese sauce to put on it. Oh my God! Whoa! No way! Oh, we both together. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy's in the middle. Yeah, that was Daddy. Craig, Brooklyn, Stephanie, and where's Madison? Madison. That was so cute, and Big Al got featured a good amount of times. This is the desserts for tonight. We got the celebration cake, which looks pretty good, but it's not for me. The chocolate decadent actually looks good too. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get anything but mint chocolate chip ice cream, like always. Officially, Disney animator. Yeah, Big Al. Mickey bar. This. Mint chocolate chip. Already started eating it. Yummy.
Once a week. It was alcohol. It didn't.
Now I'm about to head to the adult.